Hello, everyone. It's me, Mrs. Groner, and today we are going to do some letter sound practice. Our newest letter sound is the sound of G. G says g g g. Remember, when I make this sound, my mouth stays open but moves a little. My tongue goes to the top middle of my mouth and my throat moves. G g g. The next newest letter we have is the letter O. O says ah. When I make this sound, my mouth goes in the shape of the letter ah. My tongue stays down. So we have two sounds we're going to practice a little bit. G g g. Ah. G g g. Ah. 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 G g g. G g g. G g g. Ah. G g g. Ah. G g g. Ah. Ah. G g g. G g g. Ah. G g g. Ah. G g g. Ah. G g g. G g g. Ah. G g g. Ah. Ah. Great job. Now let's go ahead and practice all of the letter sounds that we've learned so far. Ready? R. G g g. Ah. T t t. Ah. P p p. Nice. Let's go ahead and practice all of those sounds one more time. Now, I want you to remember, if there's a sound that we practiced that you didn't remember, it is a really smart idea to go back to the lesson that introduces that sound and watch it again. That will help you remember any sound you don't know. Okay, let's go ahead and practice. K-k. Ah. G g g. Ah. P p p. Good job. Thanks for practicing with me. Remember, the more you practice, the better a reader you'll become, and the more you'll learn your letter sounds. So keep practicing, and I hope to see you again very soon. Bye.